Hi folks. Some of you will recognise our surroundings if you saw our campervan camp out video. We are back at Ardingly. We are at the south of England showground, but this time we're here again for crystals. Now, some of you may or may not know that I've had a love of crystals for a very, very long time. Andy, well, what do you think?
I don't think nothing about it.
It doesn't believe in what crystals can do for people. But anyway, needless to say, we're here to see what this little show brings and find out. We know it's accessible, having been here for other shows. So we're just going to go and have a wander around and see what delights and beauties we can see today.
That's it.
I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. So, catch you later. Crystals. Some people believe they hold energy, others aren't so sure. Andy, for example, calls it mumbo jumbo, and I understand that. A lot of people do. But I've always felt there's something more to it. We came here out of curiosity to have a look around, see what's out there, and just experience it for ourselves. Different crystals are believed to do different things. Some are said to bring calm, some emotional balance, others protection or clarity. Scientifically, there's no proof that crystals can heal the body, but we do know that crystals like quartz have real properties. They're used in watches and electronics because of the way they hold and regulate the energy. And we also know the mind is incredibly powerful. How we think, what we focus on, can change how we experience things.
Look at the colour coming out that stone. Different colours coming out that stone there.
For me, crystals aren't about curing anything, they're about coping. There are times when medication only goes so far, and that's when I turn to things like this.
And these are all elephants. You see from the side, they're elephants.
Not because they take the pain away completely, but because they help me deal with it better. I know some people will ask, if they really work, then why am I not better? And that's a fair question. But this isn't about fixing everything. It's about finding something that helps you get through the moment you're in. For me, crystals feel like a kind of vessel, something that helps focus my thoughts and turn them into something calmer, something stronger. It's a bit like quiet armour, something I can carry with me when I need it most. And whether that's the crystal or my mind or both working together, all I know is it helps me. And sometimes that's enough. And although Andy says it's mumbo jumbo, as you'll see from this last photo, he's still quite happy to look.